If it moves, automate. I'm sure it's quite obvious to you that I really don't know how to dance, but you get the gist. It's all about automation, all about automation. It's my favorite topic to talk about, automation, because I'm the kind of girl that loves to automate anything. Anything that moves, automate it is my is my catchphrase. Automate it if you can. By the way, who loves doing anything manual these days now? I'm starting a training class starting up very soon, and the topic we'll be talking about will be all about automation this time around. We're focusing all about strictly automation only for that training class. So if you're interested, give me a DM, leave me a comment. Also, feel free to check out my YouTube channel, Jira Relier. Leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, and I'll get back to you.